Welcome to an exclusive journey through 8 opulent living room interiors that would feel right at home in the lavish residences of pop star celebrities in Los Angeles. Prepare to be dazzled as we delve into a world of luxury and extravagance, where every detail is meticulously designed to captivate the senses. In these sumptuous spaces, opulence knows no bounds. Sleek modern elements harmoniously mingle with vibrant and bold accents, creating an atmosphere that's both breathtaking and inviting. Be prepared to be awestruck by the grandeur of high-end statement art pieces and the enchanting brilliance of grand chandeliers. Luxury is redefined through plush furnishings, including velvet sofas and indulgent fur throws that invite you to sink into comfort. Hit that likes button to show your appreciation for stunning design, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tours of the most captivating spaces.